Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we are going to be teaching you how to remove the back plate as well as the boards from this LG unit. It is model number 49LJ550M. If you are having display issues, we're going to be teaching you how to swap the main board and T-con. If you are having power issues, we're going to be teaching you how to swap out the power supply. And let's jump right into it. The first step after we get the television laid down on its face here is going to be to go around the outside and get all of the screws out of the back of the television. There are a couple of screws here and here, one by the main board, another one here by the component input. Let's get the screws out and we'll move on to the next step. All right, we'll do one more pass just to make sure that we did get everything out. Looks like we're good to go. So we'll start very gently lifting up on this back plate, get it to come away from the chassis. It doesn't look like there are any wires or anything connected to the back plate itself, but I am getting a lot of resistance up here at the top. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like wiggle the back plate back and forth here to get it to come away from the little clips that it's in, and that does give us access to the boards in the back of the unit. The first board that we're going to be removing is the main board, and the first step for the main board is to go around the outside and get all of the clips and connections away from the board. So we'll start up here with this ribbon cable connection. We'll use our fingernail to lift up that little black flap. You can use our thumb to kind of help break this away. These do tend to be fairly difficult, fairly stubborn. We just want to take our time. We want to be very gentle to make sure that we're not breaking anything. This is another ribbon cable connection back here. Same thing, we're going to lift up with our fingernail, loosen that up just a little bit. And all I'm doing here is pressing down very gently on where the ribbon cable actually meets the connection. Sometimes I can just help break that free if there's a little bit of tension built up in there. This next clip here, we're going to push down on the two clips on the right and left side, and we're going to pull it directly away from the board. So we push down, pull it right out there. This one's got a clip on the back that we depress with our finger, and it slides right out of there. Looks like there's about 4 or 5 screws, and this will come away from the chassis. After the screws are removed, this should just lift up, and that is the main board for this unit. Next up is the power supply board. This just has to have 2 clips here. This clip right here, we're going to press down on the right and left side, just like the one on the main board. We're going to pull it away from the power supply. Slides right out. This guy right here, we're going to depress the clip on the back, slide that away, and then we've got a couple screws here, and this should come away. After the screws come out, we should just be able to lift this up and out, and that is the power supply for this unit. Last up is the T-con board. There are 3 ribbon cable connections here, just 2 different styles. We're going to start with these guys at the bottom. We're going to use our fingernail to pop the little black flaps up, and we should just be able to walk these ribbon cable connections right out of there. This one is a little bit different. There are 2 buttons on the right and left side that we need to depress and then move the whole thing away from the T-con board. So we depress the 2 buttons, move the whole thing away. I am going to use a smaller number 1 size screwdriver here to get these smaller screws out. The screw gun might work here, but just to be safe, let's use this guy. After the screws come out, this just does lift up and away, and that is the T-con for this unit. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.